Welcome to this lecture here. So, optimal utilization of resources is one of the major part. That is, these are the approaches for optimal use of resources. When we are processing a query, remember one thing: manage your resources, because resources are very important. So in any field, operation shipping, data shipping, and hybrid shipping. So these are the three methods. So first of all, operation shipping, which is here. This is also appropriate in system where the communication costs are low and local processes are much slower than the client server. We assume that our local processor, which is client side, is very slow and our server side is high due to more powerful computers. So first, client side commands sends SQL queries and operations are performed here at server side. So you can perform operation like query optimization and query processing will be going to perform here, and then get data and send result to the client side. So this is step number one that you can use. And the second is data shipping, that is here. This is also appropriate in this system where the communication costs are low. I tell you in reverse. So this is data shipping, that is, we are going to perform operation at client side. Client side means that we are going to perform some operations like query optimization and all these steps at here. But in operation shipping, the operation is run at the site where the data is stored and not at the client side. The results are then transferred to the client side. This is also appropriate, the second one, that is data shipping, where the communication costs are low and local processes are much slower than the client server. So we can say that here we are going to perform operations at client side and here we are going to perform operation at data side. So third one, which is hybrid shipping, the combination of both data shipping and operation shipping. This is the combination of data and operation shipping. Here data fragments are transferred to the high-speed processors where the operation runs. For example, client side requests commands to this side and here relations and data are stored. Then this side sends data to higher processors, high speed processors, sends data to this side. Then this side perform operations and get data from database and then send to the client side. So you can manage your resources in a good way. So you can use hybrid shipping over data shipping according to your model. But I want to introduce this model for you, so you can select one of them to optimal utilization of your resources. So this is all about from this lecture. I hope you are enjoying these videos. So at the end, thank you so much for watching this video.